As a speaker, one of the things I've learned the hard way in this industry is to always limit your content. You know, one thing that people don't understand is that um as a speaker, you have to know the extent to what you can say, to the content you can give out there based on the time frame you have. So the mistakes some of us speakers will make at time is that we always just want to give out everything, which is not possible. You cannot give out everything. So you're supposed to actually understand that every talk you have to deliver, it has a time frame. It could be 5 minutes, it could be 2 minutes, it could be 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, an hour. That's fine. But if you want to say everything, it's not possible. I remember I was doing a talk in Florida, in Tampa, Florida, the other day, and there's what we call tangent. So I was talking about public speaking, how leaders can leverage on public speaking to be able to sell their companies and sell their ideas to partners, stakeholders, whoever. And when I was doing the talk, so I brought in a concept where we call that in professional speaking tangent. Tangent is when you divert. When you're talking about something else, you divert. So I was talking about a different topic, and I not just thought it wise to explain to them the four different kinds of speeches. I talked about the impromptu, I talked about the extemporaneous, I talked about the memorized, and I had to talk about the manuscript. And again, it escaped my mind, and I was like, who even asked me to introduce these kind of topics? I do not plan to talk about that in my outline. You see, so probably the time I had to do my talk, I practiced my talk without mentioning the categories of speeches. That was not too necessary. So in the course of my presentation, I brought in that. And that is exactly what we need to avoid all the time. Avoid tangent. And for that to happen, you need to be able to master your presentation, what you have to say, what you're not supposed to say, and then stick to the time. Fortunately for you, if you finish the presentation before the time, good enough. That gives you more credit. So you can give the rest of the time allowance as a gift to your audience, or you can give it to them as for Q&A, questions and answers. And when you begin to understand that you have to limit what you have to say as a speaker, and you don't always have to say everything unless they ask through a question you need to explain, man, you will become an amazing speaker, but you become a great speaker, man. So that's it, guys. Limit what you have to say based on the time given to you. My name is Nshom, and I'm looking forward to see you at the top.